Okay, all right, everyone. Let's continue our lesson, which today we will be focusing on two learning standards. First, reading 3.2.1. This means we will read, enjoy, and give our own personal responses to different types of text, whether they are fiction, non-fiction, or other print and digital materials that interest us. Second, speaking 2.1.4. This means you will explain your own point of view clearly. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to do two things, which is number one, make and share predictions about the text you read. Number two, clarify your answers and give reasons to support them. Okay, so now let's move on to exercise A, which is popular free time activities. The question is, what do people do in their free time? Here we have 10 activities. Your task is to put them in order of popularity. Number 1 is the most popular and number 10 is the least popular. The activities are listening to music, shopping, reading, watching TV, eating out, going for a day out, exercising, going to after-school clubs, going to the cinema, and spending time with friends or family. Think about your own life and the people around you. Which activities do you think most people do and which ones are less common? Take a moment to decide on your order. There is no single correct answer here because it is about what you think is most realistic. So now, let's look at exercise B, which is think and discuss. Usually, this is done with a partner, but for now, I will guide you through the questions so you can think about your own answers. The topic is activities that people enjoy but can also be very dangerous. Okay, so let's look at the first question. What are some exciting but dangerous activities that people do? Think about activities like extreme sports, travel, adventures, or other risky hobbies. And why do people enjoy doing these risky things? Is it because of the thrill, the challenge, or maybe to test their limits? And the third and the last question, what makes them dangerous? Is it the environment, the speed, the lack of safety equipment, or something else? Take a moment to reflect on your answers, but remember, there is no right or wrong here. It is about your opinion. So now I'm going to give you a few minutes to look at the sample answers that I have put in the slides. Okay, so I think that's all for today's lesson. Let's continue on our next slide for the next activity. Thank you.